What is up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video, man. Damn, it's been forever since I posted a video on YouTube. Check it out. Rocking the Padres jersey today. Right now, we're in late September right now. And so then I was at the Sand Super Sport show, and man, just seen all these badass cars. It just got my blood flowing. I was like, dang, it's time to get ready for desert season. Let's do it, you know? And so the one thing I was looking at was car wraps, and just the prices. They're expensive. I mean, these dudes are making hella money. And so I was like, all right, let me check them out. And I couldn't do it. So my cousin Oscar actually got a wrap done in Mexicali, and when this car came out, I was like, dang, it came out so good, like professional, like quality vinyl wrap. And I was like, wow. So I called my cousin Oscar up. I was like, hey man, what's up? Hook me up. I wanna get my car done. So he gave me their information. Now this company is in Mexicali, and for those of you that don't know where Mexicali is at, that is about 45 minutes south of Glamis, so not that far from Glamis. And so I contacted these guys right away. They got me in, took the car over there, told them what I wanted, and it's looking pretty good right now, So right now I'm actually on my way over there to pick it up. So the company is called Decalque and then QUE. So in Spanish, they call it Decalque. So Decal and then QUE. I was a little skeptical at first, though, taking the car there. But as soon as I got there, I noticed it was in a good neighborhood. It was a big shop. It was, it had cameras, security. It's good to go. So, I got Sentry. And so then I was thinking like, oh man, typically if you have a Sentry, you can't cross back with the trailer. So you would have to go through the regular line. And I was like, damn, that's gotta be a pain in the butt, So I asked these guys, is there any way I can just leave my trailer with you guys? And they were like, yeah, heck yeah. And so I was like, hell yeah. For me, that was awesome. I had to wait like an hour or hour and a half in line. But since my trailer was there, my trailer's been looking my flatbed has been looking a little beat up. The wood, a little damaged. The paint looks all crappy. And so I asked these guys, hey, by any chance, would you guys happen to know anybody? And so they were like, yeah, you know what? We might know somebody. And yeah, they did. They got me a quote, hella good price. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. So they're actually taking out all the wood, spraying the whole trailer down. Put new wood in afterwards. This thing's gonna look brand new. I'll put a picture up there if I can. If not, you'll see it when we get there. But yeah, I'm excited about that. And the wrap, he sent me some pictures of what it's gonna look like. And yeah, these guys, really good communications. You can find these guys on Instagram. You can find them on Facebook. You can find them on the WhatsApp app. These guys, they'll get you in and out. And some of the cars that they've done, and you see on their Instagram, on their Facebook pages, some top-notch cars. A lot of race cars too. Cars that have been racing like in Baja, the 500, 250. A lot of those cars are on there, So these guys are well known. They do quality work. Oh yeah. Just pulled up to El Centro. Check it out. We got Coin Motorsports. That place. They hella expensive. Oh shoot, watch out with the Ranger. BLM. But gotta stop here real quick, pick up some cash. All right, guys, we are here, about to cross the border. So this is the newer border in Mexicali, and the section where we're going to be going to pick up the car, it's in Nuevo Mexicali. newer Mexicali. Nuevo Mexicali. It ain't that bad right now. It's about, let's see, 91 degrees out. It's not bad at all. But the fact that today I had to bring my work truck. Let's see, check it out. I got the work truck with me right now. I guarantee you guys we're gonna go get pulled to secondary because these dudes are so freaking nosy. They want to know everything about what is in here, you know. Yeah, last time when I first crossed and I took the razor, man, they check everything. They check. They want to see the trailer registration, so make sure you guys take that with you. Vehicle registration, of course, everybody has that. Make sure you have the right documentations for your UTV, your car, whatever you're taking over there, because these guys are freaking. They want to make sure you have everything. It's so lame, but I don't know. It's part of the gig, so just make sure you take all your guys' documentation. Here he goes. They're already looking at me. Pull over. Oh, damn. Are you serious? They ain't even gonna pull me over? Oh, wow. I think maybe because they saw me recording. What the hell? That has never happened before. Damn, that's crazy. Either it's my lucky day or these guys are like seeing like, why is this guy recording? Wow. What a trip. Dang. I think from now on I'm gonna start recording every time I cross the border. You know why? Because the camera don't lie, right? The camera does not lie. Oh, we got some military. My brothers in Harleys right here. Nomad. Sick ass Road Glide. Domino's Pizza looks good over here. Look at that, delivery on motorcycle. Alright, man, looks like we're almost there. Let me see. Yup. We are here. Let's see how it looks. There's a shop. And holy there's a car. Damn. So that's it, fellas. That's a wrap. All right. So, hey, let me know what you guys think of the wrap. I mean, man, that thing came out badass. Couldn't be happier with the way it came out. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I spoke with the owner. He said you guys mentioned G's Life. He's gonna hook you guys up with a discount. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Later.